Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. I'm currently here at the Timber Lane graveyard in Smethwick, Albury, and we're here for a janazah prayer, and as you can see everybody has been told to stand far apart. Thank you to this brother, mashallah, who managed to get the body cleared and even have a very small janazah prayer. The workers from the local Sandwell Council have given us very strict orders not to have more than 15 people, and then they reduced that down to 10 people, and even bringing the body up, they've just gone through a very tough procedure. Very difficult times, guys. Allah make it easy. This is brother Farid, mashallah, the funeral director. Allahu Akbar. May Allah Ta'ala protect us and ease this difficulty from us.